Hello, welcome in Design Hub. In this series we will learn about Aspen Hysys, Basic. We will learn Aspen Hysys Basic in 3 steps. This is 3rd step.
That's good.
To fully define the material stream, you have to define feed name, feed temperature, feed pressure, flow rate, lastly composition mole %. Before start the simulation, we already define composition and fluid package. To start the simulation, you have to do the first thing, install one or more feed stream. To add feed stream, click on Object Palette. This is an object palette. If this is not available, then press F4, or go to View and click on Object Palette, select Blue Material Streams button. Click within the PFD area. The stream is added. The following procedure explains how to create and set up a new stream from the object palette. As we know that to fully define the material stream, we have to define feed name, feed temperature, feed pressure, flow rate, lastly composition mole %.
That's good.
Blue color indicate that material stream is fully defined. Thanks for watching. For advanced topic, you can find on Udemy. Link in description below.